Let's draw a big round head with 2 small ears, add a chubby body with 2 arms and legs. Don't forget the bear's happy face and a little shirt on him. Now color the bear brown with a lighter tummy and face. His nose is black and his cheeks pink. The shirt can be bright blue to make him look cute and friendly. Perfect! Our bear looks so adorable in his blue shirt. Great job, you made a cuddly bear friend. First, let's draw a round head with long ears and a happy smile. Add a body with 4 legs, a wagging tail, and a bow under his paw. Now color the dog light brown with darker brown ears and tail. His tummy, paws, and face can be cream. Don't forget the blue collar and the red ball. Wonderful! Our dog looks playful and ready to have fun with his ball. Well done, little artist, you made a cheerful puppy friend.